Sportbooks offer promos to keep you betting, but OddsJam helps you use those promos against them. With the low hold tool, you can spot bets where the odds on both sides are very close, making it easy to hedge your free bet and still make home profit. Then there's match betting, which takes it even further. OddsJam finds matchups where you can cover both outcomes, one with your promo bet, one with a normal wager, so you're guaranteed value no matter the result. Instead of letting sportsbooks win back their bonus money, OddsJam's real-time scanning, alerts, and bet tracker give you the structure to keep every promo working in your favor. If you're ready to stop wasting bonuses, try OddsJam's 7-day free trial using the link in my description and start turning promos into real money today.